Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the primary hard drive, remove the screw on the right side cover. Unlatch and lift the cover off the system. Identify the hard drive assembly and disconnect the cables. Unlatch the assembly and lift it out of the assembly. Unlatch the hard drive from the assembly. To reinstall the primary hard drive, relatch it to the assembly. Place the assembly back in the system and relatch it. Reconnect the cables. Relatch the right side cover on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.